Today we have another very special Ferrari in the workshop. This beautiful Ferrari 488 Pista Spider came in after the owner saw the exhaust upgrade we recently did on my 488 Pista. He was very impressed with the sound, the performance, and the overall driving experience. After hearing it in person, he decided he wanted the exact same setup for his own car. So today, we are upgrading this Pista Spider with the Veleno straight flow exhaust downpipe. Veleno is well known among enthusiasts for producing high quality exhaust system that deliver both performance and an incredible sound. By removing the restrictive catalytic converters, the exhaust gases can flow much more freely, allowing the engine to breathe better and respond quicker. To manage the additional heat from the exposed exhaust section, we are also installing the exhaust heat shield wrap. This helps to reduce heat in the engine bay and protect surrounding components. Next, we are upgrading the intake system with a BMC Performance air filter from Italy. This allows better airflow into the engine. Stock performance, improving throttle response and supporting the overall performance upgrade. It is a direct replacement. No modification. There you go. This high-performance BMC air filter delivers up to 40% more airflow compared to the standard factory filter. Finally, we will complete the setup with a custom ECU remap. This ensures the engine runs perfectly with the new hardware while extracting even more power and efficiency from this incredible V8 twin-turbo engine. Honestly, I can't wait to see and hear the final result. The Ferrari 488 Pista Spider already has one of the most exciting V8 engines Ferrari has ever built. With this upgrade, the sound and performance should be on a whole new level. Thank you for watching. Follow us to see more supercars upgrades, repairs and solutions.